back to Vlogtowski. I missed you guys so much, more than you know, and there's a cockatoo just chilling. So I'm currently in Australia right now, but I don't really want to talk too much about that because this vlog is a Canada vlog, and while I'm in the sun, you're about to watch me freeze to death. I haven't uploaded on this channel in like 2 weeks, and it's because these Canada vlogs, honestly, I just am a perfectionist and I wanted to make them perfect, and that's my biggest downfall. I'm currently in Australia working on a really cool project to save the Great Barrier Reef, as well as all of the reefs that are out there literally dying, and I'm really excited to show you guys that vlog. That'll be coming within the next few weeks. So yeah, kind of the Canada vlogs got a little bit postponed, but don't worry guys, I'm back. I'm better than ever. Maya's here.
And we're gonna be editing all night.
Yeah, we're not sleeping tonight. So, and I'm also really sunburned, as you guys can tell. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this Canada vlog. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys next week for some cool, hot, summery Australia vlogs. But for the next couple days, you're gonna be seeing me freeze to death. So anyway, I love you guys and enjoy my Canada vlog. Mwah! Bye. Okay, let's go to Canada. Let's go.
So we're gonna kiss for the first time. Ready?
Mm-hmm. What's up guys? Finally arrived to Canada. Basically, I woke up at 6:40 in the morning. Amir was annoying the crap out of me because he can't hear me yelling from my bedroom door. Left the airport at like 7:30 this morning. Took a flight, got on the flight, flew here. A lady was farting the entire flight next to me and eating a chicken salad that stunk, and it was probably old. Got to Canada, went through customs, did not film at customs because I didn't want to get arrested. We're in Canada. Picked up the airport rental car, drove 25 minutes to our hotel, and now we're here. Gonna go to dinner in like 2.5 hours. So I'm going to get out of my airport outfit. Guys, I got this sweater from Brandy Melville literally 3 days ago and it's already coming apart. It's like ripping. I've worn this twice. So that's that. Other than that, I think I'm just gonna get ready for dinner, get all cute and whatever, and it's gonna be fun. So I think what I'm gonna do for the Canada vlogs is I'm gonna split it up into 2 different parts because we're here for 7 days. I know we're gonna be doing a ton of really fun stuff, so I don't wanna like overwhelm you guys with vlogs. So this definitely will be 2 vlogs. It might even be 3 depending on like how cool our days are going. But today is day 1. Tomorrow we're road tripping to Jasper. And yeah, other than that, that's how life's going. I'm gonna get ready and I'll see you guys at dinner. You got me, Update, it is about 2 hours later. I just glowed up. I did my makeup, braided my hair because my hair was feeling kind of oily, so I was just like, I'm gonna braid it. And then for my outfit, black shirt from RUMI, black leggings from Donna Mazzani, my Sorel snow boots. These are my favorite snow boots. And then I'm just wearing this big long faux fur jacket, and then I'm gonna put on a scarf and some gloves and I'm gonna button it up real tight. So I'm supposed to meet the guys downstairs in like 10 minutes. But yeah, this is my outfit. Good morning, guys. Here's the situation. So we decided that we were gonna wake up at like 8:30 this morning to get on the road to drive to Jasper. Funny thing is, we were like trying to decide if we we're gonna wake up for sunrise or not. Do we wanna wake up really early for sunrise? Or do we wanna just like take our time, wake up at 8:30, get on the road at like 9? I wake up at 7:40 this morning, thinking that was enough time to pack and get out the door by 7:30. And guys, it was pitch black dark outside. The sun had not even risen yet. So it's now, fast forward, it's like 8:50 right now, and literally the sky is still blue. Like the sun still isn't out yet. Ooh, lighting. Oh. So anyway, Amir is pretty mad at all of us because we were supposed to be in the lobby at 8:30 and it's definitely 8:55. All packed. I just finished my makeup. I'm wearing hair extensions today, so I put my hair in this like half up, half down thing to hide the hair extensions because like, I don't know, I couldn't leave my hair down. The back of my head was like exposing the extensions. So, but yeah, this is my outfit. Just, I think I wore this shirt like last week in a vlog, and yeah, it's time to get down to angry Amir. Let's go. Hopefully he's not too mad at me. Amir, are you mad at me?
Slightly. That's
Well,
okay.
Beautiful. It's frozen, but you can get some reflections. So it is really pretty. I've never shot it in the winter.
Update, we are currently in the car. It's snowing outside. I'm looking for one of those like Apple Store connectors because I have the new MacBook that F's all of its customers over and makes you buy plugs to plug in your other plugs. Amir stopped at this camera store thinking that they would definitely have it. I walked in, they didn't have it, but I bought some film and I was rushing so hard to get out of that store quickly. I didn't realize these film rolls were $20 each. That's literally so expensive. I bought them because I thought they'd be really good. As I was purchasing them, as I swiped my card, I realized it was all black and white film.
Rip.
I spent $40. We love the black and white film, but I just really wanted color. So I guess we're gonna be getting some vibey black and white photos. It's also aggressively snowing out.
Which is amazing.
Meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering my walls, but they fold.
All his vibe right now is just all time. His vibe, like, what is my vibe? His style. All black.
Get higher. Get the arm ready. Ready?
So that, okay, that's all I need.
Amir, let's see. Amir, you have to do it.
No.
Amir, you have to. We all did it.
I'm fine. What do I do?
The further you lean, the crazier it is. Amir, you have to hit it powerfully like you mean it.
Yes. Yes.
We're currently eating breakfast at, what time is it
We're
now?
actually not.
1 p.m.
You want to explain why we're eating so late, Ava?
We're eating so late because today has encountered lots of problems on mostly my end, but Amir, you also need to get your roses, so don't even. Today's gotten off to just a lot of, I forgot my dry shampoo, so I had to go get dry shampoo, had to go to the Apple Store. Amir had to buy some roses. My film camera battery literally died. Anyway, now we're at breakfast, and I wanted to de-stress by ordering a mimosa. We have our mimosas, but Amir doesn't know what one is, so I thought that maybe you could have the first taste of my mimosa. He called it a mimoso.
Isn't that what it is? Mimosa. It looks like orange juice with some alcohol. Tastes like sparkling orange juice.
It's champagne and orange juice, Amir. It's a human delicacy.
Is this a famous drink?
Yeah, this is like brunch.
This is maybe the most famous drink.
This is like the drink. Like you get this. This is like a delicacy. We got cheers.
Cheers. To mimosas.
To mimosos.
Hey, cheers. Just falling asleep.
Okay, so Amir wants to prank Colin, and I feel so bad.
He's asking for it. Beautiful mountains and beautiful view, and he's sleeping, and he's gonna be pranked. But what should we do?
I hate pranking people. I'm so bad at it because I feel so bad. I think we should like start screaming like and like reversing like for like 10 seconds really fast.
And start honking the horn.
I would be pretty freaked out if we just started yelling and reversing. Let's do it. Guys, look at this view.
Overalls.
Woo! What's going on back there?
He's got overalls.
So we're currently
Is that on
here
camera?
at Bow Lake, and I have a sad announcement to make. So guys, I packed my new Ronin, which I've taken on like 2 trips now, and I haven't made this mistake yet, so I'm never gonna make it again. Packed my Ronin, I'm so excited to like pull it out, and I left like the mount plate to put my camera onto the Ronin, so until we find that, we won't have any pretty saucy cinematic footage. We'll have some, but it just won't be the same. It's not gonna be the same, so that sucks, but hopefully we can find something later tonight. If I have to go find a city myself and find one, because I need one, I'm not too mad about it. I'm more happy I got my battery for my film camera. Well, we're here and it's really beautiful, so just enjoy it with my handheld cam action. Look at this, look.
Colin's got
You guys are really ready. These outfits, look at these style and looks. Look at how beautiful this is! Holy hell! I'm supposed to go down there? We're supposed to go down? Oh gosh. When there's a snowstorm, but she says the parents are gone.
No worries, no more, no, no. Here's your bitter goodbye. Like, ooh.
We kissed for the first time.
My lips can't even move, it's so cold. Okay. Okay. Okay, the lifts are working barely. Guys, look at this really cute bridge. So we just shot the first shot for Amir's video, and it involves me and a rose, and then I like get the rose and then I like kiss the camera because it's a POV, so technically I'm kissing Amir, which has never happened, by the way, so don't get any funny ideas.
I stand both of you.
Amir, come heat these little kissers up.
Okay, ready? So we're gonna kiss for the first time. Ready? I wonder how that looked.
It's totally fake. My toes and my hands are the most frozen right now. We just like stumbled upon this. We were actually gonna go to another lake, but then the light was so beautiful at this spot. So we pulled down a road, drove as far down as it went. This seems like a frozen lake. So we got out of the car and just started walking, and we found this really cute bridge. And that's where we shot the first scene for Amir's video. So it's really cool, like when you just plan on going somewhere that's like everyone kind of knows about, and then you just go off the beaten path and find your own little spot. So it looks so nice though, guys. Look at you guys.
Dude, this is
Matching.
Look at that. My lips aren't really working. I feel like I have like lip injections. I feel like this is what it would feel like.
That sounds good right now.
What? Hot chocolate? That's what I was thinking.
Everything.
I dip my toes in it. My toes need just buckets of hot chocolate.
I got faith by my side. I'm blaming you. That's right, I'm blaming you. I'm what you need.
Guys, I think I got the bucket shot. Ready for this?
I got the bucket.
No, dude,
Dude, should I floor it on the straightaway?
Don't floor it. No, we're in the
Like
snow.
120.
No, that's like 80 miles an hour in the snow.
You play that Khalid song?
Respect that. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, so magical.
Oh, my hands are so cold. Wait. Oh my god, that is so funny. Oh, my leg.
Goodbye. Like, ooh.
I left my Ronin plate at home. I have the Ronin. We're about to head into a camera store. I don't have my hopes up, Link. Every single tripod mount. It's not gonna be the same. S'mores tonight. I'm literally an idiot. Like, I'm literally the dumbest piece of. I'm so stupid.